assignment etc. at Morrison Academy, Taichung, Taiwan. This following video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Fomrative. If you haven't seen it or haven't checked it out, I strongly recommend checking it out. It's very versatile and it's great for educational. It's a great educational platform. So let's get to it. So first thing you want to do is go to gofomrative.com. Type that in. Should be brought to this page, and just click login. And you can sign in with Google+. Choose your school account, since it is all school related. Log in under a minute. And here's what we're going to do. We're going to create a new assignment, okay? So I'm going to click a new assignment. We're going to click on, wait for it. Okay. We're going to give it formative test, okay? So the cool part about Fomrative is you can add questions and add content pretty much as you go. So let's add a question. Let's add a multiple choice. So how old am I? Okay, so how old am I? Or how old is Ben? How old is Ben? Okay, so maybe 20, 27, 28, 25, or 26. And you can add a new option. You can select the final answer from the choices above, okay? So again, this one, that's the final answer. That's correct. 10 points. You can choose how many points you want to give that to students. So 10. Okay, we're going to add another question. Let's add a show your work question, okay? So we want a background image because we want kids to use their brains and all that. So let's choose a fun photo. Let's use this one, okay? Give it some time. So there's 3 crosses, right? So I want the kids to circle the crosses. So for the question, it'll be circle the 3 crosses you see. I'll just do that. I'm doing crosses you see in this photo. So as a student, you can click on this guy, click on this. I'm going to circle this cross here, black, good. I'm going to change it to, in this photo, each with a different color. So now I'm going to use purple, circle this guy here, and use red for this guy. Woo! And it all works. Perfect. You can have them show the work, upload image, change the text and all, so type text, type here, hello photo, works perfectly fine. It's great. Okay, 10 points. That is going to, I think, by teacher discretion. Okay, next, short answer. Very easy. Tell me what did you do on the weekend. What did you do on the weekend? No correct answer. I'm going to do that blank for now. I'm going to add another question. I'm going to add a true or false question. It's fairly easy. Is Dave Freeman a true man? And there's this false because we all know that he's not really a man. He looks like one, but nah, not nearly close. Okay. So if you see, that's pretty much all we did for the questions. Different types, 4 different types. Simple. Content. Now here's the cool part. We can add image. So let's add another image. So I'm going to, oopsies, and I did that too fast. So let's open the chapel again. Okay, so I'm going to remove this one here. Just click this button. Boom, disappears. Here's a chapel, and you can add question to this actually. And you can show your work or whatever. You can add content, etc., etc. So I'm going to first get rid of that for now. I'm going to click content here. I'm going to add a text block. So give this content title. Text block. Hello, block. Simple, very easy. You can leave that there. It's not really a question, but you can still add content. Let's do a whiteboard. Whiteboard, you can draw, very simple. Different colors, you name it. You can even give kids maybe this for 5 minutes from the beginning to just draw what's on their mind. Or you can say, draw the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear shum. Okay, very simple. Just like that. Type that in. Students can put that down. Looks good. Well, not really good. It's horrible drawing, but you get the point. Add content again. You can even add a YouTube video. So give this to What is this video talking about? Okay, let's do the URL. So let's go to YouTube. I want to Jimmy Fallon, right? Jimmy Fallon, spell it right? Jimmy Fallon show. So I don't double A on my bad.
Tonight, Fallon and Daniel Radcliffe play water.
So in Radcliffe, right? Good. So you can change video, and you can add content to that. You can add a question to that. Quite simple, easy. Okay, now upload and transform. Let's try this. Okay, so I'm going to upload a doc. Okay, I'm going to open. Let's do ICC information, call for papers. We don't want that. What do we want? Staff handbook. Let's do the staff handbook. So that's a big file. I probably shouldn't have done that. Yeah, that's right, exactly. We don't want that. So, oopsies, I did that again. Let's delete that page. Okay, let's choose something else. Hobbs. Yeah, let's try this. This is from, I don't believe this. What's this? Let's do this, yeah. So you can upload a doc, transform it. So, certificate. And then you can add questions here. So you can add this. So you can add this, add question. So let's do short answer, just for now. What do you want on your certificate? And I spelled it. Yeah, I spelled that wrong again. Certificate. Done. So you can do that. Click on that guy. And so students, when they scroll down or go through this, they can see, oh, very nice. Okay. That's pretty much, you can do that same thing with PDFs. So for math teachers, it's great. You just put on a PDF file, click where you want a question, tell them to show the work, give answers, true or false, short paragraph, you name it. You can send it out, ready to go. So you're thinking, okay, this stuff is great. How do we use it? How do we actually use this? So let's look at preview, just to give you basically a preview of what you just did. Race car, race car. So you go down here, you can see, oh, it's not bad. It's got all the stuff here, and all the stuff I didn't erase, as you can see. But it's quite good, have video and all that. So, and then we can go assign. Awesome. So now you have here only classes are everyone. I want it for everyone. So it's going to be public. The easiest way to view it is with this code. So I'm going to copy this code. And so I'm going to go to goinformative.com, join. goformative.com/join, I believe. Is that right? So I'm going to add the quick code I just copied. And the best part is you don't need to even join the class to be into it. Oh, I guess you do. Sorry, I lied. You can, yeah, feedback and all. So I'm gonna do that. So Ben Man, Schultznator. So I'm logging in. So hello is Ben 20, 3 crosses, and so I'm gonna circle by these guys again, circle it, add that, you name it, and I'm gonna submit. Okay, so I submitted it. Very simple. So anybody can join, almost like a Kahoot in some ways. So I'm gonna close that for now. So anybody can join. Okay. You can get a link to it, throw the link to people, they can jump right to it. Classroom, this is still beta, but you can post it in Classroom, okay? Very cool. So we can try that, post in Classroom, give some time, and I can choose class. So I'm going to choose a class that I don't have students in, choose actions, let's make an announcement, and press go. Give it a few seconds, and there's the link to actually my formative. So this is something cool. So you can basically post this to Classroom, and your students will still be notified in the Classroom class, which is kind of cool. You can view that too. It's going to go to my Classroom and let it load. Now, you can also embed this code into somewhere and have it just show up. So in my spare website here, I have, oops, sorry, no one. This is the one I have. This is for my class. If you go here, Knowledge to Wisdom, lots of Ethernet cables, go to Go Formative. Go here, and it's loading. This is a previous Go Formative assessment I did, and you can click on it, go to your things. It's another girl, circle her knee. If she's injured, you know, type that stuff, other formative PDFs I put up, and click submit. And it just be submitted like that. Very simple, very easy. So I'm going to close that tab too. So that's how to share it with everyone. If you only have classes, it's quite simple. So I had created a web design class. If you want to add a class or edit a class, you go here, create a new class, okay? If you create it, it's going to come down here. There's a class code. So I'm going to click on this, okay? And it says no students, let's first enroll. So how do we do that? Click here, okay? And it shows up here, 5 ways. Google Apps, okay? Display your code, blah, blah, blah. My school uses Clever, we don't use that. You can directly do that. Spreadsheets, follow the instructions here, and you can mass enroll students too, but I don't think we're going to be needing that. Probably the first one up here, just the sign up. Okay, so you can have your students go to goformative.com/sign up here, and then have them sign up with Google, and then enter my class code, they'll be in it. Very simple, very easy to use, and I think this is a great way to do some quick assessments, or even you could even have classes with this for students to share and discuss things. And I think that there's a lot of possibilities with this. Please let me know how you think this is, and I hope this video helped. And I do like my initials here, BS. But other than that, I hope this was informative and that you learned a lot. Thank you. Leave any comments or questions below, and I'll do what I can to get back to you. Thank you.